Meaning of handily.
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 Handily. The word handily is an adverb that means to do something easily or without much difficulty. It implies a sense of skillful efficiency and ease in completing a task. When someone accomplishes a task handily, it typically means that they accomplished it with little effort or time expenditure. For example, a runner who finishes a race handily would cross the finish line with a significant lead over their competitors. Overall, the term handily describes a level of proficiency that makes completing a task appear effortless.